Hey guys, what's up? So I'm gonna be trying out some products that I have gotten from Ulta, and I put up a haul 2 days ago. So yeah, I've been waiting to use these products. I think I wore makeup probably like twice since then, and yeah, I'm gonna try out those products. Not all of them, just a little bit. And really, really, I got my cup of tea. This morning is kind of cold. It did snow this morning, but now the sun is out, so yeah. My son is asleep right here, so I think I got a good 10-15 minutes to do my makeup. Now usually I do my brows, so I'm gonna do them off camera because they are looking a little bit The first product that I want to try out was that e.l.f. Poreless Putty Primer. I've seen a review on this with Jeffree Star, and let's see if I can open it. Yeah, it's fresh. Haven't been touched, so I don't even know how much I need. I'm gonna just rub it in. It's like a thin consistency. So I'm just put it where my pores is and where I get oily at. I don't want to do too much because I don't want my makeup to look crazy. I have to leave to get an oil change, and I don't want to do too much. So far, so good. It doesn't feel heavy on the skin. It doesn't feel, it pretty much disappears into nothing. It doesn't feel tacky. It just feels like nothing. I mean, I can see from the camera that it has like a white cast on my face, but when I look in the mirror, I don't see no white cast. I look like normal. But usually, I set my face with some spray first before I put on foundation because I want my face to be kind of wet. So I'm using Stay Matte by Rimmel London. Spray that all over. And then usually I use the Clinique foundation, but it's been doing stuff to my skin that I'm not liking. So I'm just gonna use some True Match Lumi foundation. I think dewy is like my new thing now. I don't like having a lot of foundation on my skin either because it looks like I have a lot of foundation when I do that. Like I don't have like smooth skin, I have textured skin, so the slightest bit can make my skin look cakey or just like ew. I'm just gonna use some True Match concealer, little stick thing. Yeah, I'm patting it in because that concealer is not like full coverage, and I don't want it to be like uneven. Airspun is like my holy grail setting powder because it's lightweight. It makes my skin look airbrushed, and yeah, I can't rave about it enough. And I just use it to set like my concealer and then my T-zone. If I keep looking over here, it's because my mirror is over here. So yeah, I'm trying to debate now. Do I want to put some eyeshadow on or not? Maybe I'll put a little bit like a skin tone color, but I don't want to go all out. Okay, and then the rest of my face, I use like an actual face powder. And it's looking like a L'Oreal type of day because I'm using the L'Oreal True Match powder. And I just buff out the outer part of my face. I'm gonna bronze up my face a little bit with Black Radiance pressed powder in Golden Almond. It's a darker color. So I add the color right back into my face so that I don't look like I'm a ghost. Because on camera it looks like I'm really pale, and that's not even how it looks in actuality, I'm gonna put on a little bit of blush. Alright, time to try out something new. And I got powder on me, everything on me. This is like disrespectful. Anyways, Wet n Wild highlighter in All Grown Up. The one that I recently just got, and the seal is still in there, so you know that I haven't tried out the product since I've gotten them. So, should I just dip it in the top? Because it's gonna get messy. I'm already messy, so whatever. Guess I'll put it in the top. I feel like a little bit is gonna go a long way, and this is a lot of product. A lot of product. At least I didn't spend a whole bunch of money. Wasn't that much. Alright, let's see. Here we go. Here we go. Ooh. Baby. Blend it out some. Glow up. For real. Let's try this cheek. I'm out here shining, 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 shining. I'm just using like a little bit from the top. Do you see that? Do you see that? Okay, so I'm gonna use some eyeliner. I have the Wet n Wild skinny eyeliner. Okay, it's really thin. And that glow, I can't get over it. I don't even have a mirror close up for me. Whatever. Ooh, I like that it's stiff. Sometimes those like really like flimsy eyeliners be really killing me because I didn't even put no eyeshadow on. I was supposed to put a little bit of eyeshadow on. Alright, so they look like this. Boom. Can't wait to try them. I'm going to use some duo glue. And I always use like the white one, because I get so fascinated when it dries and it looks blue. Here we go. I always struggle with this because my eyelashes are so curly. I gotta like let it dry and get sticky so that it can stick in the middle part, and then I can work my way on the ends. Okay, we got it on like at like 85%. Oh, Lord have mercy. Got some glue up there. Not where it belongs. I'm gonna just let it continue to dry, and then I'll use a eyelash curler to like curl them together so it can really be close to my lash line. And I'm gonna move on to the next one for now, okay? I gotta try to remember not to look up until it dries, because it's disrespecting me right now. One day I'm gonna get this down pat. If I keep doing this and I keep wearing eyelashes frequently, eventually I'll be able to put these eyelashes on in less than like 2 minutes. I can put these on in my sleep in the future. I can't win for trying. First my son, now my camera's against me. He doesn't want me to film a video. What's wrong with you? Okay, we got them lashes on. What it took me about 5 minutes to do it. I just don't like this inner corner part. I can feel it when I back my eyelashes, but sometimes I do, sometimes I don't. Whatever, I'm just gonna ignore it. So I'm gonna use the skinny, I'm gonna use the skinny mascara from Wet n Wild that I purchased. Oh, this thing is so thin. They ain't playing when they say skinny. They said skinty. I'm definitely gonna have to fix the inner corner because the OCD in me just can't let it go. Oh my gosh, this is the worst. Okay, I feel like it's giving me some color. Oh, look a hot mess. I know. It's getting everywhere. I just said it, no, I feel like it's giving me color, but god damn. It's going everywhere. And I'm glad I didn't wear eyeshadow. I'm so glad. Oh no. Mm-mm. Oh no. Okay. Alright, I think we fixed it. Because, boy, I was looking like, who did it and why? Alright, let me hurry up. So, I'm going to use the Kajou pencil from Essence, the white one. Put that, ooh, that looks nice and clean, you know, fresh, clean pencil. Been sharpened. I'm going to wipe it on the back of my hand first because I am putting this on my waterline, so I don't know what's been on the tip of it, so. It's not stock white. Maybe if I keep building and building, it would be. It's getting there though. I'll probably use another mascara for my bottom lash. Outside of the stuff that I purchased. I'm not going to use the black Essence. I'm not going to use the black one because I have no use for it basically today. For the inner corner, I'm just going to grab a little brush so that it doesn't look kind of crazy. I'm just going to grab some kind of eyeshadow, any kind, to put in the corner of my eyes right here. I should use that highlighter because that was popping. But I'm going to just use something subtle. Lastly, I'm going to use the lip pencil from Wet n Wild in, what was it called? Prune, something prune. Where is it? Don't Be a Prune. Looks like this. Ooh, nice and dark. This little lip liner, it's Potent Shine, so it was in that little Ulta gift set. It's not a lip liner, it's a lip gloss, but it has some color. It's not sticky, and it's not extra wet. She's done. Done, done, done. Alright, that concludes the video. Thank you for watching. Make sure you subscribe if you haven't. Comment down below if you have any requests. And don't forget to subscribe to my vlog channel. I have some merch you can check out for us moms out here who will just go through the struggle. So I have Mom Life t-shirts that you can buy, hoodies, socks, leggings. Yeah, check out what I have now already. And I'll put the link in the eye in the sky. In the meantime, you can follow me on my social media such as Instagram, Snapchat, Twitter, whatever you like. And yeah, I'll see you in my next video.